Closing arguments being held today in the historic criminal trial against former President Donald Trump.
Now, prosecutors argue that Trump falsified business records when adult film actress Stormy Daniels was paid off just ahead of the 2016 election. Trump's defense says the former president did nothing wrong and argues the case is about documents, not an encounter with Daniels.
ABC's Rena Roy is outside the courthouse in Manhattan now with the latest.
After 5 weeks of testimony, the hush money trial against former President Donald Trump is now in its final stretch. The jury hearing closing arguments today before the case is in their hands. The defense going first, attorney Todd Blanche thanking jurors for their service, then saying President Trump is innocent, arguing that the district attorney has not met their burden of proof, period. Prosecutors trying to convince jurors to convict Trump on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, arguing he tried to hide damaging information from voters ahead of the 2016 election. They say Trump ordered his former attorney Michael Cohen to pay adult film actress Stormy Daniels $130,000 in exchange for her silence about their alleged sexual encounter, then labeled it as a legal expense. The prosecution building their case with 20 witnesses, including Daniels and Cohen. Defense attorney Blanche telling jurors today, quote, Michael Cohen lied to you. Also saying the records weren't false and there was no intent to defraud, adding there was no conspiracy to influence the 2016 election. He also tried to distance Trump from some of the records, saying Cohen submitted the invoices and the accounting staff put a stamp on them. Trump has denied that sexual encounter and has pleaded not guilty.
This is a dark day in America. We have a rigged court case that should have never been brought. And it should have been brought in another jurisdiction. As you know, we asked for that.
A big show of support in court from his family, with his sons Eric and Don Jr. by his side, and for the first time, his daughter Tiffany as well.
That was ABC's Rena Roy reporting.